This way gamay. Okay?
Pagwapa ka kasba.
Euphemia Junicio.
Kaya i-relax niyo. Yeah,
next we have Madam Angie Balahadilla. Hello. Next we have Manuela Islaban. And of course we have Cecilia Villanueva. And of course we have Evelyn Basultin. We have Royin Salaber.
Ikaw dason ni kasal? Ikaw dason?
After 25 years.
5 years mo?
Of marriage.
Okay, here's a remind, sir.
Golden Jubilee?
And of course, we have Madam Ivy Guen. G-N. Guen. Gion.
Kung sa video, hindi masaylo, no?
Murder after. Kaging murder team mo, Mr. Name. Next, we have Madam Jenaline Burila. Next, we have Rona Neresina. Okay. Next, we have Ma'am Fe Valencia. Hello, ma'am. Next, we have Lobel Pil. And we have Dr. Maria Felma Olivares Inusanto. And of course, we have Madam Rosemary Barachua. And the last but not the least, the principal sponsor, or for our ladies principal sponsor, we have Madam Gina Celes. I hope na wala akong nalipatan. Okay? So, moving forward to our gentleman principal sponsor. And again, as I told your name, ladies and gentlemen, our gentlemen, please raise your hand.
Say hi! Hi!
Next, first we have
say hi! Say hi!
Next, we have Honorable Eddie Lumampao.
Ikaw naman tuyog. Tuyog sa akong.
Hello!
Hello!
We have
Moderate.
Banana. We have Bruno Herdo Luau.
Moderate.
So wala ka pala, ma'am, walang pinggan!
Ala!
Pinggan is the key!
May gold ba?
Gold, gold, and short. Ala, gintago. Ala, ala, ala. Itago, itago, itago.
Marlon Fuentes.
Pindatan.
We have Bruno Herdo Luau. And of course, we have Bob Berda.
Naka-stop eh, wala. O, kaunang nakaun si mo.
Kamis magkaon mo. Lipson ko, ubos ng kanin.
Alam, Lipson.
Ubos ng kanin. So, yung mag-video ka, hulog ka.
Mr.
Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. This is the unique wedding of our beloved Dabayao, Roger and Milin. This is unique kay wala din sa Lumupolit ko. Wala kandidato alaw. Okay.
Okay, kasi sila naman doon magkasal.
Brand out kita ang kasal, brand out yung dugay-dugay, butangan natin isang more power.
More power. Hashtag na lang more power sa comment section.
Okay na.
Sila na doon makasal na